Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super helpful tutorial on how to add income to the Goodbudget app. If you're trying to track your finances, budget like a pro, and make sure every dollar is accounted for, this is the perfect guide for you. Goodbudget is an awesome tool for envelope budgeting, and adding income is a breeze once you know the steps. So, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Goodbudget app installed on your phone or tablet. Open it up and log in to your account. You'll land on the main dashboard, where you can see your envelopes and overall budget summary. Now, to add income, tap on the Transactions tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your financial comings and goings are managed. Next, hit the plus button or Add Transaction option. It's usually right there in the corner, waiting for you. From here, select Income as the transaction type. Goodbudget will prompt you to choose a category for your income, like salary, freelance, or gifts. Pick the one that fits best to keep things organized. Now, enter the details. Type in the amount of income you're adding, add a description if you want, for example, monthly paycheck from job, and select the date it was received. If this income needs to be allocated to specific envelopes, you can do that right away by tapping on the Envelope Assignment section. It's a great way to automatically fill up your budgeting categories. Once everything looks good, just hit Save or Add Transaction. Boom! Your income is now recorded, and you'll see it reflected in your total balance and envelope funds. A quick tip: always double-check your entries to avoid mistakes, and try to add income as soon as you receive it for accurate tracking. There you have it. That's how you add income in Goodbudget. It's straightforward and helps you stay on top of your finances. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.